Welcome to another Health News video news release brought to you by Health News. In today's news, we look at ways to disinfect your iPhone and other devices in the world of COVID-19. With the heightened concern about the COVID-19 outbreak, Apple is now giving the thumbs up to using disinfectant wipes, Clorox disinfecting wipes, and similar products with 70% isopropyl alcohol on iPhones and other devices. What to know about cleaning your iPhone and other devices. Use a 70% isopropyl alcohol wipe or Clorox disinfecting wipes. Gently wipe the hard, non-porous surfaces of your product, such as the display, keyboard, or other exterior surfaces. Do not use aerosol sprays, bleaches, and anything abrasive. Avoid getting moisture in any openings. Do not submerge your Apple product in any cleaning agent. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, still believe it may be possible to get COVID-19 by touching an object with the virus on it and then touching your mouth, nose, or eye, and recommends using cleaning spray or wipes to clean and disinfect frequently touched objects to help prevent the spread of coronavirus and other illnesses. Remember, your best source for diet, nutrition, and supplement information is your Metabolic Typing Advisor, Functional Diagnostic Nutritionist, and Functional Medicine Practitioner. Call them today. If you are watching this video on our YouTube channel, please subscribe. And if you are watching this video on our website and have not already done so, please add your name and email address to the form on this page. And that's it for today's health news.